Hey traders, welcome back to Hashiny King, where we make trading Forex simple and profitable. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of Forex trading, choosing the best pairs and sessions to trade. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the key currency pairs you should focus on. In Forex, we have major pairs, cross pairs, and exotic pairs. Each has its own characteristics and benefits. Major pairs. These are the most traded pairs, offering high liquidity and tight spreads. Some of my favorites include AUDUSD. This pair is the most traded in the world. It offers high liquidity and tight spreads, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. USD/JPY. Known for its high liquidity and predictable price movements, it's great for technical analysis. GBPUSD. This pair can be quite volatile, offering significant trading opportunities, especially during major news events. USD/CHF. Often considered a safe haven, it's a good choice during times of market uncertainty. Cross pairs. These don't include the USD and can offer unique trading opportunities. EUR/GBP. This pair is great during the European trading session. AUD/JPY. It's sensitive to market risk sentiment, making it useful for gauging risk-on, risk-off environments. EUR/JPY. A bit more volatile, suitable for experienced traders looking for more action. Exotic pairs. These involve currencies from emerging markets. They are higher risk but can offer high rewards. USD/TRY. High volatility can lead to significant profits, but also substantial losses. USD/CK. Influenced heavily by economic data from Sweden, providing unique trading opportunities. Now let's talk about the best trading sessions. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, thanks to different global trading sessions. Each session has its own characteristics and preferred currency pairs. Asian session, Tokyo. Time, 0 hours, 09 paro. GMT best pairs, USD/JPY, AUD/USD, NZD/USD characteristics. This session has lower volatility compared to others, making it a good time for beginners to practice their strategies. European session, London. Time, 07 hours, 16 hours. GMT best pairs, EUR/USD, GBPUSD, EUR/GBP characteristics. Known for its high liquidity and significant market-moving news, this session is perfect for those looking for more action. North American session, New York. Time, 12 hours, 21 hours. GMT. Best pairs, USD/CAD, EUR/USD, GBPUSD. Characteristics. This session overlaps with the European session, resulting in high volatility and numerous trading opportunities. Sydney session, time, 21:06 GMT. Best pairs, AUD/USD, NZD/USD. Characteristics. Similar to the Asian session, it has lower volatility, which can be advantageous for specific trading strategies. To maximize your productivity, it's essential to trade during the best times. Here are some key periods to consider. Overlap between sessions. London, New York. Overlap. This occurs between 12 CAR, 16 SHAR GMT, and is the most active time in the Forex market, with the highest liquidity and volatility. Tokyo, London overlap. While less common, this overlap can offer trading opportunities, especially for JPY pairs. Economic news releases. Non-farm payrolls, NFP. Released monthly by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, this report can cause significant market movements. Central bank announcements. Keep an eye on announcements from the Federal Reserve, ECB, BOJ, and other major central banks. GDP reports. These provide insights into the economic health of a country and can impact currency pairs significantly. Here are some tips to help you choose the best pairs and sessions for your trading strategy. Align with your trading strategy. Ensure the pairs and sessions you choose align with your overall trading strategy and risk tolerance. Consider your time zone. Trade during times that fit your schedule to avoid fatigue and maintain focus. Focus on lower spreads. This can help reduce trading costs and increase your profitability. Stay updated. Always keep an eye on the economic calendar for upcoming news events that could impact your trades. And there you have it. Understanding the best pairs and sessions to trade on Forex can significantly enhance your trading productivity and success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and happy trading.